Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how you can do a color change on your picture with the Photoshop application on your mobile version. So you just need to open your Photoshop mobile version on your phone, and then next just tap into this photo editor, and then you just need to pick which picture that you want to use right here. And right after that, you just need to take a look on this side. There could be a looks features. You just need to swipe it into the left side until you got this pop color. Tap into the pop color. And the next, you just need to pick the pop color effects that can match with your needs. So that could be an orange right here. Tap on it and you can see the difference. So the background of it or the other color could be stay on the gray, while the color that have an orange color will be popping up. You can also set for the intensity. You can make the orange become more intense and let the rest become gray. Perfect. And then you just need to go tap into this button so to save this picture on your mobile phone. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.